Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the Spark program. Now the government says they have identified over 600 roads for rehabilitation under the Spark program. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this. But guys, I want to ask you a question. This is Waterloo Road that we are looking at. It's a community road. But off this road, we have billion-dollar apartment buildings. The Rogers is going up 20 floors. Billions upon billions of dollars being spent. You have a few other high-rise apartment buildings off this road. I want to ask you guys a question. Have you ever seen the roads in Jamaica this bad? Is this the worst the roads have ever been? No, this is a community road. But when you say the state of some of the main roads, the government is spending $45 billion to fix the roads. They have allocated that. But they haven't started yet, and the roads are getting worse. Now, I think the government needs to move a little faster in starting the Spark program. They have not even made public the contractor that's going to do the work. It's a foreign contractor. The list came down to 5, and they chose 1 out of the 5. And they haven't announced the contractor yet. They haven't announced the list of the roads. They're supposed to set up a website with the list. I haven't seen that list of roads to be fixed. And the government says they plan to start the program in the first half of December, which is 30 days. Well, December 1st is 15 days from now. December 15th will be 30 days. So I think the government needs to move a little faster because the roads are in a state, as you can see. Now this is the Whitcomb area. When you leave from, look at these roads. When you leave from Hope Pastures going back towards Barbican. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on the latest update on the Spark program. Now we're going to show you another road, which is Spur Tree Hill, a main road in Jamaica. A main road. This is Spur Tree Hill now. Now traffic has to come to a complete stop to go through this section of Spur Tree. This is a main road in Jamaica, a main road. So this kind of, for the main roads to be in a state like this, it's very surprising. Alright, so we're going to go through the article that gives more information on the latest with the Spark program. 60 main roads and approximately 600 priority roadways across 63 constituencies have been identified for rehabilitation under the government's $45 billion Shared Prosperity through Accelerated Improvement to a Road Network Spark program. Prime Minister Dr. the Most Honorable Andrew Holness made the disclosure during a statement to the House of Representatives. This $45 billion is the largest investment in our roads and water infrastructure ever by the government of Jamaica. This is not about the highways or building our new bridges. This is about investing in our local and community roads. In other words, this is the investment that will impact the lives of the ordinary Jamaicans. The road that passes your gate, he said. Partnering with the Ministry of Finance and the Public Service, National Works Agency and other entities has ensured that this project will begin implementation this year. The project will last over 3 years and it will begin in this 2024-25 financial year, Dr. Holness added. The Prime Minister advised that Cabinet The Prime Minister advised that cabinet approval has been given for the project, which is expected to start during the first half of December. When we start, we mean actually the mobilization of works in constituencies. There are many steps that have to be taken for such a program to be effective. There are many agencies that have to be coordinated. We have to follow all the regulations. We haven't skipped any and have tried to follow all the rules because to be clear, the Spark program is not a patching program, he stated. All the Jamaicans who are very frustrated about their roads, who are protesting, who are demonstrating, we hear you. We understand. We drive on these roads too, and we are not pretending as if there are no bad roads, he added. Spark was first introduced in fiscal year 2023-24 as a 40 billion road improvement initiative. Since then, it has grown to include an additional 5 billion for waterline improvements. The project will also entail the installation of fiber optic ducts to support future broadband connectivity, which aligns with the government's digital transformation strategy. The infrastructure will connect public institutions, improve the delivery of shared services, and eventually enable e-government services for the Jamaican people. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.